Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study business. First, begin by understanding the fundamental principles and key terms. Next, break down larger topics into manageable sections, focusing on one area at a time. Develop a consistent study schedule, allocating specific times each week for business studies. This structured approach will help you absorb information more effectively and build a strong foundation for your learning journey. To study effectively, employ active recall by quizzing yourself on material without looking at your notes. After reading, summarize each chapter in your own words to ensure comprehension, rather than just memorization. Connect theoretical concepts to practical, real-world business scenarios. This helps solidify your understanding and makes the information more relevant and easier to remember for exams. Mastering business concepts involves consistent review of key terms and definitions. Engage in problem solving by working through various case studies, which helps apply your knowledge to practical situations. Consider forming a study group with classmates to discuss challenging topics and share different perspectives. Collaborative learning can deepen your understanding and clarify any areas of confusion. For exam preparation, complete practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment and manage your time effectively. Thoroughly review all your notes, handouts, and textbook chapters, paying special attention to areas you found difficult. Remember to check the description for links to helpful study resources and other great deals. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Trees Black Ice air freshener to keep your study space fresh and inviting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.